Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put your TikTok videos on slow motion. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and then make sure that your account is logged into it. Okay? And then after that, you want to click on the plus sign on the lower part of your screen. You can take your videos. And once you're happy with your video, just go ahead and click check. And then here, you just want to click effects. And once you clicked effects, just go ahead and swipe these options until you see time. And then here you want to choose slow-mo. And here you can adjust the duration of the slow-mo feature. And then if you're happy with that, just click save and next. So here you can already post your video if you're happy with it. And that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it's it, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.